Hi, this is Robin Taylor from Strive PT and Performance. I want to go over how to use vibration as a form of therapy. I have two different vibration tools here. We're going to start by looking at the Lady. So this is what it looks like. It will come in a package that does come with a charger. So it comes in this travel bag. They come in different colors. You will get a charger, but it does not come with the wall unit. So just an FYI. The power button is right in the center here. I'm going to go ahead and press that once. And you'll see a blue light on and a red light. So that does mean that there's a charge. If I press it again, the vibration starts. So this is considered low. Press it again. Goes up a little bit. That's medium. One more time. That's large, strong. And then press it one more time, and then you have variable level of vibration. So I'm going to press it one more time to release all that, and then it turns off. This vibration is pretty intense. I have bought several versions of this over the years, and the most recent one is a very strong vibration. So if I had my druthers, I'd have that vibration be a little bit less, but that's not an option. So in terms of charging, this can be tricky for people, so I want to go over that. So you're going to take the cord, and finding the slot requires, for me, putting glasses on. And there's a little DC right here. So if you find that, which is just to the side of the power button, I'm going to go ahead and insert the charging cord. And then once you plug it into the wall, if you have it in the right spot, it should flash. If it doesn't flash, you're in the wrong slot. What's tricky about this setup is that if you forced it, the charger would go into many different slots along the way. So you have to make sure you get it in the correct one and line it up with DC. In terms of how to use this, I'll demonstrate by using my forearm. So I'm going to put this right underneath my forearm. So that vibration, you can leave it in one spot. You can move your arm so that the vibration is going up and down your arm. You can leave it in one spot and move your arm up and down. That works pretty well too. So this is similar to using a foam roller in terms of the stimulation of the lymphatic system and helping to release some of the nervous tension in that area. If you're using this on, let's say, the back of your leg, in your calf or your hamstring, and it's sitting in one place and you're not moving around and it feels really good, and then all of a sudden it switches and starts to feel irritated, it means that nerve has become hypersensitive in that spot. So you just want to move about half an inch and move to a different area, and you will be able to continue to use it and not feel quite so sensitive. So I do like this vibrating ball. You can stick it right underneath of running water of a faucet to clean it off. I wouldn't submerge it, but it is water resistant. The charge will last about 4 hours. Once it's fully charged, it will automatically turn off after 5 minutes. And then you can just restart it if you wanted to. Other variations here, I'll show you just one other one. This is called the peanut massage roller, and it has a different shape. As you can see on the box, it's designed to go right along your spine. I find it great to kind of rest your leg right into it, and you could actually do it right on your arm as well. In terms of the intensity of vibration, this one, which has an easier charging mechanism, has a much lower vibration setting. So it also has a very variable vibration, but the low level for this one is much lower than the vibration for this one. So this is more subtle, but it's a different shape. So depending on what part of your body and your anatomy, you may prefer one over the other. This one is slightly less expensive. Vibration has been shown to be very therapeutic in terms of stimulating the lymphatic system, helping to encourage cell turnover and promote healing. So vibration is really helpful. Best of luck.